Some of us snores while we sleep, some of us makes a loud snoring noise, and some just snores quietly. There are people that just snores when they are tired and exhausted, and there are people that don't snore at all. How about you? Do you snore while you sleep, or are you just quiet and at peace? Have you heard of the cave that makes snoring noise? Maybe most of us don't, as well as me. Because as far as I know, snoring noises and snoring sounds are the sounds that made by people and animals. So how possible that the cave snores? Cave under the lagoon? Really? How possible it was? After the snoring cave, there is also a cave under the lagoon? How can a tourist explore the cave if it is under the lagoon? I'm thinking of where is the entrance is. Am I able to breathe under it? Welcome to Siargao, a teardrop-shaped island located in the Philippine Sea, about 800 kilometers southeast of Manila. Known globally as the surfing capital of the Philippines, it has transformed from a quiet fishing community into one of the world's most beloved tropical destinations. Sohoton Cave National Park is a premier ecotourism destination renowned for its stunning limestone cliff, crystal clear turquoise lagoons, and most notably the Jellyfish Sanctuary, featuring non-sting stingless jellyfish, and it offers a maze of inlets and caves like Hagukan and Magkukuob. Siargao is famous for its laid-back, bohemian vibe and stunning national scenery, while surfing is the heartbeat of the island. Centered around the legendary Cloud9 break, Siargao offers far more than just wave. Also, pristine waters, endless palms, and island hopping. The main entrance to the Sohoton Cave Lagoon is a natural rock archway. At high tide, this entrance is completely submerged by the sea, making the lagoon disappear or becoming inaccessible. You can only enter by boat during low tide when the cave opening is revealed. Since lagoons are delicate ecosystems, your experience depends heavily on how you interact with the environment. Timing is everything, so always remember the golden hour rule and always check the tide. Wear a real safe sunscreen and water shoes for your protection. Standard sunscreen contains chemicals that bleach coral and harm aquatic life. Once you are inside the lagoon area, there are specific caves that interact with the water in unique ways. To get inside the Hagukan Cave, you have to swim through a partially submerged entrance. Once inside, the water glows a luminous blue and the cave snores, making a loud sound as the tide pushes earth against the roof. The main hub, General Luna, is packed with beachfront cafes, vibrant nightlife, and a community of locals and expats that prioritize sustainability and island living. For sunny beach weather, March to September was the best time to visit Siargao, while September to November for the biggest surf swell. Be careful not to confuse with Sohoton Cave and Natural Bridge Park in Samar. The one in Samar, or the National Bridge Park, is a massive inland cave system with the famous natural stone bridge, but it doesn't have the hidden sea lagoon vibe of the one in the Bucas Grande, which is the Sohoton Cave. Magkukuob Cave is one of the most thrilling day trips you can take from Siargao. It's not just a walk through cave, it's an interactive obstacle course. Magkukuob Cave is famous for being a one-way cave. Once you enter the low-ceiling cavern, the only way out is to climb up a steep, slippery rock wall and exit through a window high above the water. The stingless jellyfish of Siargao are found in the Jellyfish Sanctuary within Sohoton Cove. They are primarily golden jellyfish, or called Mastigias papua and moon jellyfish. Having lived in a landlocked lagoon without natural predators for centuries, they lost their stinging cells called nematocysts through the evolution.